Hey guys, Tony Simmering, Product Manager at MUTOH America. Today, I'll be showing you how we used our XpertJet 1642WR Pro dye sublimation printer to create these final products. This tutorial will walk you through the entire process, from setting up the print file to pressing the design, so you can see exactly how we go from a digital design to a finished product. Let's get started. The process starts with the XpertJet 1642WR Pro paired with Wasatch SoftRIP software to deliver precise color management and an efficient workflow. Plus, every MUTOH dye sublimation printer now includes a 6-month prepaid subscription to Wasatch SoftRIP. This software features the latest imaging configurations, optimized for a wide color gamut and efficient ink usage, ensuring consistent, high-quality results. Once your design is ready, you'll upload it to Wasatch SoftRIP to prepare it for printing. I'll walk you through that setup step by step. First, we're going to load up Wasatch SoftRIP, and we're going to configure our imaging configurations as well as adding our files, laying them out, adding the proper number of copies, and starting the print queue. First, let's open up and make sure that we have the proper printer selected. In this case, we have the 1642WR Pro, and we're going to select the 1200 by 1200 Chromolux imaging configuration. Click OK. Now we will go to the Layout tab, and in the Layout tab, we are clicking the Import File button, navigating to the desired print file, selecting that and clicking Open. The Layout feature allows us to click Import again and select a different file, as we can print both of those concurrently. Once those have loaded, we can select both files and duplicate or add copies until we have the desired number of copies. We're clicking Tightest Fit just to give us a nice clean look, and deleting one extra file for demonstration purposes. Now that we have our configuration here all ready to go, our layout ready, we're clicking Rip and Print and letting the 1642WR Pro do the rest. Alright, now that our transfers are printed and cut, let's set up the heat press. Set the flat press to 365 degrees Fahrenheit with a moderate pressure. Time and temperature is going to vary depending on the material. What we're working with is generally good around this range. Before setting your object on the press, make sure to line the bottom of the press with craft paper, set your object on top of that, and place another sheet over all of it to protect the heat press. Close the clamp to check the pressure and adjust if needed. Once you're happy with the pressure and your press has reached the right temperature, you're ready to press. Carefully align your object on the transfer paper, ensuring it's positioned exactly as you want. Use the heat tape to keep it secure. Once set, place it in the middle of the press with the transfer paper side facing down. Add a sheet of craft paper on top and close the press. Now, just wait for the countdown. Once the timer goes off, open the press and quickly remove the craft paper and transfer paper to reveal your finished design. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about our dye sublimation printers or suggestions for future tutorials, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to check out our latest specials at mutoh.com and follow us on social media.